Okay, so it's a nice evening, so we've finally found time to actually fit the Ultimateaddons universal smartphone case to the motorcycle. So we've got a smartphone case on this to cover the tank so we don't scratch it. We have Allen key to undo one of these bolts here, and then we have the top clamp attachment here. So first things first, we're going to remove one of the bolts. Now I think we'll get this out of the case first. So I think we've got to work out which side to put it on. Well, clearly it's going to be one of the top ones because that's going to be too close to the tank. And I think I prefer it here rather than over this side interfering with this. So yeah, we'll do that one. Okay, so first of all, there we go. Just get this out. It's a lovely evening, I have to say. Very pleasant. A bit warm earlier. Right. That's coming out now. There we go. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is to have a look at that's the fitment that the phone goes into. I think it's going to be like that. Okay, so we've then got the ball mount. Okay, and we have got a selection, that'll be the little cap that goes in the end, and we have got selection of different size bolts. I think they are. Yep, marginally. So got to work out which one we're going to use here. There's the original, and we're going to get this on there, so that's going to be a little bit extra. So I reckon the smallest one. Could be wrong. We'll give it a whirl. So obviously that goes in here like that. Looks quite nice. And we'll see how that works. First of all, so we'll pop that in. Yeah, I think that's going to do the trick. Let's just get it tight. Now that is robust. See, that for me is more secure than, you know, putting it on the handlebars somewhere. Because that is a happy chicken. Next thing we'll do is that wants to sit over there, and then this I think just pushes on. Oh yeah, that's a nice snug fit. And then the back thing just screws on. Now that, flipping heck, that's robust. Right, yeah, okay, so you can adjust that. Aha, schoolboy, forgot to put the cap in. See how easy that came off? That's great. Now we put the cap in. I bet there's a few of you screaming, "You haven't put the cap in!" Quite right, while I'm up it. It is late in the day. Here we go. Okay, so that cap's in there now. That's aesthetically pleasing, should we say. Right, so I reckon that's his Ultimate Add-ons. So where's the phone case? As you can see here, 1, 2, 3 triangle shapes, so that's going to have to be at the bottom. Okay, so we'll put that back on. Okay, and now we can screw it up properly, making sure we don't cross thread it, of course. There we go. I like that, that's good. Okay, so look at that. So pinch these bits in here and hook it up the bottom, as the actress said to the bishop. And that isn't going anywhere, and that also clears the tank nicely. Whichever way I turn this, that is not going to interfere with the tank, and I can adjust that by just slacking off that back bit, which allows me to move that around any way I like. So I can put it more at an angle like that, or I can put it down a bit more like that. And I'll just tighten that up. Okay. So, Ultimate Add-ons, they make phone cases for specific models of phone. This one is the universal extra large one. What I'll do now is I'll pop my phone in and we'll see how we get on. So, I'll just pinch those two things at the back and unhook it. So there, as you can see, that's the 5 points that seal this in place. Very secure. One more at the corner. Right, get all the gubbins out that it comes with. Pop my phone in. As you can see, I've got the SE, which sits right in there nicely. Then I can do that up. Get that satisfying click. Oh. Ooh, if I was a chiropractor, I'd be pleased with that. There we go, like that. There's the phone in there, ready for sat-naving. So I'm going to squeeze that, hook it up the bottom, and that is not going anywhere. I mean, look at that. Next thing I'm going to do is take it out for a ride, but not tonight, so you're going to have to check back for that video. But so far so good. I'm liking that, especially as it's very easy to adjust. So depending on what angle the sun's going to come in at you, if you're riding away from the sun or into the sun, etc. So yeah, you can adjust that very nicely. It's got like a nice silicone base inside as well, which means that it cuts down on the vibration. So check back, we're going to make another video, this time with it being ridden with. There we have it. Ultimate Add-ons, universal phone mount case. Spot on.